Welcome to our new topic. Today we will share about we are already in depth. We born in this era, the earth, the ground we live in, and the nature organism, the whole universe are already can be destroyed, had been destroyed every years ago. We make the house, we building our house and many building from the mountain, and we get the thing and material, rare earth material, many things we do take from the ground, and every part of the tree, the books they are made in, all is come from the nature and the ground. Maybe we are now only can sit and see is what is happening about is, and how can we do. We need to be the slave for the universe and the nature. Whenever we go in the high place, or we can forget the ground, because the ground is the medicine, and the tree, the foods, nature is the good food medicine for us, and the sun, the moon, the star, the sky, every ocean and the lake. Many things of the nature is healing, and we are too busy to look at it. And today now, even we are so boring to get up every morning, and everything we are so crazy about, nothing to do about it, and too busy with sometimes we don't know what to do. Even this time, every day is happening crazy thing, and we only have a bowl of rice and a little bit of some good food, the water, to see the crazy happening every day. And it's fun to see it, and we still have the ear to listen to the grateful song, something like that. And the thing we experiment is we social animal in social media now, and to make the connection, something even we can be doing anything, and we still have alive and see the crazy happening every day, and it's fun to see and listen. And what will happen tomorrow, we don't know about it, and we take the remind, we don't happy every time and every day, and we still have the chance to see about it, something like that. And there is some saying, what doesn't kill you make you feel stronger. What doesn't kill you make you feel stronger. Find a bonus one and give yourself bonus every single day. Everybody likes the bonus prize, something like that. Okay, the last one is the love. Only love can kill us, and only love can make us alive. It depends on how we are. So thank you for your coming today. Thank you for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next crazy situation, and have a good day. Bye for now. See you again.